There's a very common misconception with business owners and Facebook ads. A lot of them think that boosting a post is running a Facebook ad. It's not. Today I want to talk about the differences between boosting your post on Facebook and using the Facebook Ads Manager to run Facebook ads. My name is Vic. I'm the founder here at Social Gravity, and we make videos every single weekend, and they're basically designed to help you create freedom in your life. If you want to do that, subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, tell YouTube we make great videos if you want to see more stuff like this. But let's get into exactly the differences between boosting a post and running ads with Facebook Ads Manager. So boosting a post is obviously super easy. You post something on your Facebook organically on your business page, and then you literally can click one button, select the amount of money you want to spend, have a couple variables for your audience, and boom, it's sent to more people. What's happening with a boosted post is that it's taking an organic piece of content, something that you just posted to your Facebook timeline or your business page, and it's allowing you to break past that barrier of who sees it. So Facebook is only gonna let about 6% of the people that follow your Facebook page see the post. The reality is when you run ads, you're using the Facebook Ads Manager. And when you boost a post, all you're doing is extending the reach. You're adding paid reach. The two differences here come with the detail, the thoroughness, the custom objectives. You have to identify opportunity cost here. Because if you put $10 into boosting a post that doesn't do anything for you, it just shows a couple hundred extra people an organic post, you could have put that $10 into an ad that made you $20. And that's why the Ads Manager is so important to learn and utilize. Within the Ads Manager, and specifically how we're gonna show you how to structure your ads, you have unlimited potential for testing. You have copy, you have images, videos, audiences, different campaigns, objectives, and you can test all the different ones as many times as you want, where with boosting a post, it's one option. It's this organic post with this amount of money to these three variables of people, and it's gone, and that's it, and it runs until you turn it off. Where the Ads Manager gives you the ability to have 5 to 100 different images, videos, as many as you want. So that makes it extremely powerful. We know this because we can track so many metrics using the Ads Manager, where on boosted posts, we're really only tracking reach, clicks, stuff like that. But in the Ads Manager, I can literally track how much money a certain ad has made, what my return on investment was. Much more thorough, like I said. And we can use organic posts still. So if you have an organic post that did really well and you want to run it as an ad, you can still do that. Retargeting alone, I think, is one of the most powerful and important reasons that you need to stop boosting your posts. Retargeting allows you to identify people who have visited your website, made purchases with you, left their purchases in the cart and didn't check out, or liked posts, watch videos, whatever else, and show them specific content to make the sale, conversion, get the lead at a lower cost. It's extremely powerful, and there are a lot of other tools built into the Ads Manager, like an audience insights tool, installing your pixel, and a bunch of other stuff, and they're always updating it as well. So understanding the Facebook Ads Manager is so important, and the more you learn about it, the more redundant and just useless boosting your posts becomes. The Ads Manager is like the full suite of tools and variables and toys and results, and the boosted post is like the one click, I just want some more people to see it. Those are the differences. I highly recommend avoiding using the boost post method. If you have really high performing organic content, drop it into the Ads Manager and run it properly. If you're really interested in learning more about the Facebook Ads Manager, if you're interested in online sales, getting sales for your business, we are just about to open up our Facebook Ads for Online Sales course. And it's actually gonna be a community of entrepreneurs, business owners, e-commerce professionals that are trying to get better sales, cheaper sales by utilizing fundamentals we use at Social Gravity by utilizing Facebook ads. So if this is something you're interested in, jump over to our website, contact us, talk to us, and we can start showing you exactly how to run ads. But if you want someone else to just completely run your ads for us, we can do that as well. So this is a very quick video just to identify differences between boosting posts and Facebook ads. Mainly made this because I just talked to so many business owners who boost posts and think they're running ads. Maybe I can just send them this video and just outline exactly why it's not the case. But thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next weekend.